iPhones have a big issue, and there's one feature that seriously needs improvement. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. On iOS devices, if you enable Do Not Disturb and someone tries to call you, it often makes them think your number is busy, or worse, that you're actively rejecting their call. This happens especially if you haven't set up voicemail. But let's be honest, voicemail isn't something most people use, at least not in some regions. It's more of a cultural thing. The real problem is that I don't want callers thinking I'm purposely rejecting their calls. I'd rather they experience the normal ringing tone while my phone stays undisturbed. I want the call to ring for them while I stay undisturbed on my iPhone, just like Android devices do. Unfortunately, this isn't a built-in feature for iPhones. But don't worry, I have a workaround for all Apple users. Let's get started. Here's what you need to do. 1. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on Focus. 2. Tap the plus sign to add a new focus mode. 3. Choose Custom, then give it a name and select the icon that best suits you. 4. Tap Next and then Customize. 5. Tap on People, select Silence Notifications From, and then tap Done. 6. Next, tap on Options and turn off notification badges. Now go back to Settings and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down until you see Play Haptics in silent mode. Turn that off. Next, when you want to enable DND, swipe down to open the Control Center. Press and hold on the focus icon, then select the custom focus you just created. Finally, toggle on the iPhone's silent switch on the left side. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Allen Tech Gurus for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.